What you see in the middle here, these are components, and this is what I showed you is now kind of at the top right over here. It's like union and extract when you have more than one element selected, and we'll be using components when we are creating our logos. And so just if you see a video and you see them here and they're not there now, don't worry. Remember, they're over here.
So those component tools, which had been at the top of Figma, in the middle here, are now over in this side. So we go to where it says frame, we go to these three dots, we click on the three dots, and we would choose at union, subtract, intersect, exclude. And so these are where you find the tools that we'll be using a lot of as we make the logos.